Welcome to Data Buckets Academy. In this episode, we're going to show you how to use the Funnel Builder feature to build a funnel. The Funnel Builder feature on Data Buckets is extremely easy to use, but can provide you a lot of powerful insights. Now, let's jump right in. Go to the Funnel Builder tab on Data Buckets. In here, you can create a new funnel by clicking New Funnel. Now you can choose the dataset that you want to build a funnel for. I will choose the Awesome Demo App 2. And this is the user interface of a funnel builder. As you can see, there are place code variables where you can set a lot of variables later. There are event names for you to choose from. There's this edit and result bar. You can expand it. And also, later, when you finish building funnels, you can analyze the users by campaign, country, device, or app version. First, I would like to rename this funnel. I can go to the pencil button here, and we'll name it Demo Funnel. Save. Now, before I start building a demo funnel, I would like to give a little bit of context for this app. So, this is a wallpaper app where users go in, view all the wallpapers, click on the wallpaper they're interested in, and download it. Therefore, I will build a funnel that contains 4 steps, from users first opening the app, to going to the home screen, clicking the wallpaper, and downloading it. I want to see the conversion between each step. In the event name section, I will search for an event called First Open. Now, I can simply drag and drop this event from event names to the workflow to start building my query. So this is step 0, First Open. Next, I would like to find an event that is called Go to Screen. I will drag and drop again. In here, I would like to configure a little bit further. I would like to specify the users they need to go to the screen called Home. I can click on step 1, choose Config. In Config, I'll search for a parameter that is called Screen Name. Click here and choose Home. So this app has many home screens. I'll start by choosing the Home Live screen. Submit. As simple as that. Now, I can connect step 0 with step 1 to create a funnel. And hit Run. Very quickly, we already have our funnel with the number of users in each step and the conversion rate. Since this app has a few home screens, I would like to see also how many users are able to reach the home 3D screen. I can go back to Edit. I can clone this step. You can see step 2 has been created. In step 2, I will config from Home Live to Home 3D. Click Submit. Now, very simply, we got the Home 3D screen. I can connect step 0 and step 2 together. From step 2, I would also want to see how many people go from Home 3D to clicking on the wallpaper and downloading it. I can repeat the same step by searching click on event names, drag and drop, connect the 2 steps, find download, drag and drop, connect the 2 steps, and hit Run. So, as simple as that. I already have a funnel. that goes from first open, branch off to go to screen home live with 51% of users, and branch off to go to screen home 3D to 73% of users. And from go to screen 3D home 3D, I can also see how many people they click on the wallpaper and download it. Now, I want to go back to edit, and here, not only am I interested in how many users go to home 3D, but I'm also interested in how many users are not able to reach home 3D. I can very easily find that group of users by cloning this first open step. From here, I can drag first open up to here, connect first open with this step 3, and now I would connect step 2 with step 3, click on the line, and choose not. What this means is that I'm interested in this group 3 who go to first open but did not go to home 3D. I can also rename this step, config, and name it drop before home 3D. And hit run. Now, I can see this group of users in thrift step 3. Those are the ones who did reach first open but did not reach home 3D. As you can see, from those very simple steps, I have been able to build a funnel that branches us off to different screens. I was also able to set conditions using the parameters and properties, and also picking out a group of drop users. After successfully building this funnel, I would like to explore further. For example, in step 3, I wonder where this group of drop users they usually come from. I can right-click on step 3. There are a few options here. You can view chart for campaigns, countries, devices, or app version. I'll choose country. Very quickly, the system has generated us a pie chart. Now, I can see that most of the drop users, they come from Brazil with 13%, then Mexico and Indonesia. Now, I already have more clue to investigate. You can also utilize the variable section. You can expand it here. Now, let's say I don't want to view the result for all app versions. I only want to see the result for the latest app versions. I can choose the latest app version in this variable. Let's choose a few of them and hit run. Okay, now we can see that this is the result for the latest versions that we released. And that is the funnel builder feature on data buckets. For more information, please refer to our documents linked in the description.